Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to do a quick and easy meals. I was not in my book to cook today, but I have my grandson, and let me tell you, this boy doesn't get tired of rice. So it's going to be some rice. Got chicken here that needs to be washed and seasoned. So yeah guys, so how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good. How was your Thanksgiving? Even though Thanksgiving we give God thanks every day of our lives. I know in my house we do. Um yeah guys. So um let me get my rice. I keep my rice in this cracker thing. So we're going to make that, and we gotta look for kind of beans. I don't know if I have any beans, but we're going to figure that one out. And it doesn't seem that I have any beans. Uh-oh. So let's see what we're going to do. All right, guys, it's been a change of plans. Since I don't have any beans, we're not going to have the white rice and beans. So what we're going to do is the white rice is already going. The rice is cooking. So we're going to make, I don't know how you guys will call it in English, but we're going to make pollo guisado, chicken stew, something like that. I don't know how it's. I know in Spanish is pollo guisado. So we're going to do that. I have two potatoes here. I got here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to clean my chicken. So we're going to do that. So let me clean this chicken. I got some vinegar up there. I gotta grab the vinegar. I got lemon juice. So we're going to wash it, and then we're gonna pour it to the pot. All right, the chicken is washed. Skin been taken off. Guys, sorry about my bad. There's no other way that I can bring you guys this video without me giving you my back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move you. Sorry for the movement. Okay, we're gonna chop some potatoes. I do have potato salad in the fridge, so we will be having potato salad. Okay, going to do that. I'm going to add my chicken. I wash the chicken with lemon juice and white vinegar. Guys, if you heard something in the background, I'm listening to church this beautiful Sunday morning. Guys, today when I woke up, it was 27 degrees. I still went for my walk though. Even though I still go for my walk, I've been doing my stationary bike. Guys, because it's so cold, you don't sweat, and when you work out and you sweat, you release toxin. So you release toxin from your body. So that's the best thing, to work out and sweat. So I've been doing my bike. Ooh, child, it be getting hot. So with this, to the chicken, we're gonna add black pepper. out a few bay leaves. Oh, I need my grandson. Come here, Hayden. I need my bay leaf back there. I can reach.
Your what?
Bay leaf. That. Be careful here with the stove. Be careful with the phone. See back there, with the black top. Yeah, he's tall. He can reach. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to add a package of sazon. And I'm going to add some sofrito. I got this sofrito here, even though I got this sofrito, I really don't like. So now we're going to change the spoon because this is the spoon for when I make something with juice in it. So I was using it for the rice. Guys, I've been picking up, not picking up, I've been picking some people randomly. As long as they say the word that I actually tell them to say, and you have to use it in a sentence. I ran, if you go to my community tab, you're going to see all the people there that I run the playlist. The last playlist that I ran, it was Main's Design Connors, aka Mabel's Tables. I ran her playlist of 44 videos. So, that's my way of giving back. I want to thank all of you guys for helping me reach my 2,000 plus subscribers. So just by saying thank you and running your playlist, give you a couple of hours of when I said couple, I run my playlist from 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if I start at Saturday night 8 p.m., it will stop at 8 p.m. at 8 a.m. Sunday morning. So that's my way, like I said, of giving back to my community, to those people that actually helped me to get here. I want to give thanks to all my new subscribers and my old subscribers. And also, I want to thank the Grace Life DIY for helping me get here because she helped me, by participating in her collaborations. I truly thank her. I truly appreciate everything that she did for me. So, guys, all I could tell you is that you want to grow, you could follow her. She does have her rules and regulations you must follow if you want to grow. All right, guys. For right now, I'm being solo. Of course, I still love my subscribers. I still follow them. I also want to thank Debbie Bubbles, Emma Designs Corner, Home with Lisa. There's so many, guys. Thank you. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. All right. So, guys, if you want me to run your playlist tonight, make sure you say white rice and use it in a sentence. Okay? White rice. All right, guys. So, this is what my chicken is looking like. Let me move you guys over here. This is what my chicken is looking like. Of course, I got it at some adobo because I have not added adobo to it. And then this is going to cook and it's going to thicken up a little bit. You don't want to add too much of this because this contains salt. So we're going to let this cook. I'm not gonna add, I only add 2 small potatoes. I'm not gonna add too much potato because like I said, I do have potato salad. Um, I don't have any carrots. Guys, have to go grocery shopping, I'm telling you. I'm trying to use what I have without going grocery shopping because guys, it is the beginning of the month and let me tell you, it gets insane in the supermarket. And when I go to the supermarket at the beginning of the month, I usually forget that people get their social security. Uh, you know, I get a pension, but I forget. I forget how just talking about it, I get itchy. I get so much anxiety with so much people around. All right, guys. So here's the rice. So here's the chicken. So I'll bring you guys back in a little bit. Well, make sure that when you wash chicken in your sink, you disinfect everything, which I already finished doing. Um, the rice is done. Yep, the rice is done. Make sure that when the rice is done because yep, you don't want to eat rice that you could feel like a little bit of crisp to it because guys, that will give you constipation because the rice, that means that the rice is not fully cooked. So whatever, it'll absorb water or whatever you keep in your, but you need to stay regular. All right. So I'm going to wait for this thing to get a little thicker so I can serve my grandson because that boy is hungry. So I'll bring you guys back when I'm serving. All right, guys, I'm serving my grandson. He's about to eat. You guys are gonna say that's a lot of food, but you believe me, he is a very active boy.
She's not lying. I eat a lot.
He's a very active boy, so he'll burn this. Now, a lot of people are gonna be like, "Oh, that's a lot of starch." He'll burn this playing basketball, playing football, doing something. He's very active. And he will be eating something else with it. So, yeah, guys. So, guys, let me leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys. Bon appetit.